Atmanirbhar Bharat is the aim of PM Narendra Modi to make India a self-reliant nation. It has 5 pillars. The first one being the economy of the country, and the second one is infrastructure. The third and fourth pillars being the system and the vibrant demography, and the fifth pillar being the demand of the people of the nation. The 5 phases of Atmanirbhar Bharat being business including MSMEs, poor including migrants and farmers. The third phase being the agriculture. The fourth one being the new horizons of growth in various sectors. The fifth one being the new reforms taken by the government. This decision was taken by the government to increase the economy of the country in this crisis. Government also supplies food grains and loans. From 0 PP kits to 1,50,000 PP kits proves India as a self-reliant nation. India calls to boycott Chinese products and promote Atmanirbhar Bharat. It's high time to promote Make in India.
Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, self-reliant India's campaign. The foremost aim of this campaign is we should be able to generate required equipment or needs to our country people through our own powers and resources rather than those acquired by depending upon others. The vision is based upon wide and deep consultation with society. Essentially, this is to spur growth and build a self-reliant India. As our PM Modi stated that India today stands at a point where it has to decide to become self-reliant or not. If at all we are self-reliant, we can also support other countries in overcoming the challenges that they face. Self-reliance of a country lies in supporting these 5 pillars, and they are economy, that will be not just incremental change but a quantum jump. Infrastructure, that will become modern India's symbol. System that will be technology driven and not based on policy of past century. Demography, that is not our strength, will serve as a source of energy for self-reliant India. And the final point is demand. Demand and supply are cycle. India will boost the economy and provide the powers to harness its full potential. Finally, let's be vocal for the local by promoting and buying local brands and products. Jai.
Namaskar. I hope you all are healthy and safe at your homes. Today, we are here to know more about Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan that was launched on May 12 of 2020 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. There are many sectors that came under influence of this. There is agriculture sector, the migrant workers were helped, the defense sector was profitable under this. Let us know about a scheme that helped the migrant workers the most. That is the One Card One Nation scheme, under which the migrant worker can use his or her ration card in any state that they are moving from or to. There is this another sector that cannot leave untouched, that is the education sector, in which there was a huge contribution of 40,000 crore rupees towards the e-learning. There is this scheme under which the discoms were given a amount of 90,000 crores to compensate the amount they have to pay towards the generating and transmission companies. This is Priyanka from NSS Unit of JDIU signing off.
Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is an initiative step taken by Dr. Narendra Modi during this COVID pandemic so that no Indian remain unemployed during this pandemic. By using Swadeshi goods, we can encourage the young and talented persons who are unemployed in India. Using Swadeshi products, we can generate our own economy rather than depending upon foreign goods. Many companies have spread their wings all over the country to provide job opportunities so that we can demolish our unemployment rate and poverty rate. Atmanirbhar Bharat is based upon 5 pillars. They are system, economy, infrastructure, vibrant demography and demand.
One such company that is helping India in this process is the Paragon Apparel. Paragon, the name we have heard for the slippers and shoes and sportswear. Now that company is making PPE kits that India used to import from China earlier. India stands at the second largest position in making PPE kits right now in the world. The solar power plant that was inaugurated by Narendra Modi on 10th of July 2020 is also a significant step in making India a contributor towards this. Self-reliance, Jai Hind.